Have you heard about DeFi before? If you look into cryptocurrency space, you'll see the hype around how DeFi has been disrupting the traditional financial landscape by combining blockchain and cryptography. So let's dive into video and see what DeFi is about. In this video, we will take a look at what DeFi is, what differentiates DeFi dApps from their traditional bank MakerDAO, a DeFi-based project. DeFi or Decentralized Finance is a movement that aims at having a financial system that is open to everyone with having any intermediaries like banks. And to achieve this, it relies heavily on cryptography, blockchain and smart contracts. These form the building blocks for DeFi. When you look at the DeFi projects, they are based on Ethereum. The main reason for this is using a fairly robust programming language called Solidity. This allows for writing advanced smart contracts that can contain all the necessary logic for the DeFi applications. Also, Ethereum boasts of having a developed ecosystem across all the platforms, where a large number of developers build new applications, with smart contracts holding up most of the value. It's due to this the protocols on which DeFi is based is derived from Ethereum. You can think of a dApp as an app that is built on decentralized technology, rather than being built and controlled by a single, centralized entity or company. While some of these concepts might sound futuristic, automated loans negotiated directly between two strangers in different parts of the world, without a bank in the middle, many of these dApps are already live today. There are DeFi dApps that allow you to create stablecoins, cryptocurrency whose value is pegged to the US dollar, lend out money and earn interest on your crypto, take out a loan, exchange one asset for another, go long or short assets, and implement automated, advanced investment strategies. What differentiates DeFi dApps from their traditional bank? At their core, the operations of these businesses are not managed by an institution and its employees. Instead, the rules are written in code. Once the smart contract is deployed to the blockchain, DeFi dApps can run themselves with little to no human intervention, although in practice developers often do maintain the dApps with upgrades or bug fixes. The code is transparent on the blockchain for anyone to audit. This builds a different kind of trust with users, because anyone has the opportunity to understand the contract's functionality or find bugs. All transaction activity is also public for anyone to view. While this may raise privacy questions, transactions are pseudonymous by default, i.e. not tied directly to your real-life identity. dApps are designed to be global from day one. Whether you're in Texas or Tanzania, you have access to the same DeFi services and networks. Of course, local regulations may apply, but, technically speaking, most DeFi apps are available to anyone with an internet connection. Permissionless, to create, permissionless, to participate, anyone can create DeFi apps, and anyone can use them. Unlike finance today, there are no gatekeepers or accounts with lengthy forms. Users interact directly with the smart contracts from their crypto wallets. Flexible user experience, don't like the interface to a certain dApp? No problem, you can use a third-party interface, or build your own. Smart contracts are like an open API that anyone can build an app for. Interoperable, new DeFi applications can be built or composed by combining other DeFi products like Lego pieces, e.g. stablecoins, decentralized exchanges, and prediction markets can be combined to form entirely new products. One of the notable DeFi projects is MakerDAO. Maker is a stablecoin project where each stablecoin, called DAI, is pegged to the US dollar and is backed by collateral in the form of crypto. Stablecoins offer the programmability of crypto without the downside of volatility that you see with traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can try creating your own DAI stablecoin on the Maker Oasis dApp. Maker is more than just a stablecoin project, though it aspires to be a decentralized reserve bank. People who hold a separate but related token, MKR, can vote on important decisions like the stability fee, similar to how the Federal Reserve's Federal Open Market Committee votes on the Fed funds rate. This brings us to end of this video. If you are looking for DeFi development services, reach us at contact@w3villa.com, or visit our website w3villa.com.